Highly trained Border Patrol tactical units will be deployed to so-called sanctuary cities across the U.S., including right here in Houston.
And now some local immigration advocates are denouncing the deployment of that special unit, and David Gonzalez now explains why.
Immigration and Customs Enforcement plans to rev up their efforts to detain immigrants in the U.S. illegally with the help of Border Patrol.
We understand that, there's bad apples within any community. And we would like to see more enforcement being made on those people who have committed crimes and things like that.
Fiel, an immigrant rights group in Houston, says the Trump administration's decision to send elite Border Patrol units to make these arrests is creating a lot of fear in Houston.
Unfortunately, this sends a shockwave to the entire immigrant community of people not wanting to come forward, not even being able to live their lives in peace.
Local immigration lawyers say it's nothing more than a fear tactic.
Houston per se is not a sanctuary city. However, I know that the Houston Community Police and local law enforcement does not cooperate with federal agencies such as ICE. And as such, I think that that's why Houston is being targeted at this point.
They say it encroaches on the rights of the state.
And so I think that if this is allowed, it's going to set precedent for more and more evasive procedures and basically forceful apprehensions that basically violate state law.
In a statement, ICE says, quote, "As we have noted for years, in jurisdictions where we are not allowed to assume custody of aliens from jails, our officers are forced to make at-large arrests of criminal aliens who have been released into communities. When sanctuary cities release these criminals back to the street, it increases the occurrence of preventable crimes and, more importantly, preventable victims."
They're not targeting criminals, they're basically targeting families as well.
In Houston, I'm David Gonzalez.